400 exponent x plus 800 exponent x plus 1600 exponent x, all divided by 200 exponent x plus 400 exponent x plus 800 exponent x, all is equal to 4. We are asked to find for the value of x. Solution. So now looking at the numerator of this equation, 400 exponent x plus 800 exponent x plus 1600 exponent x, we can see and we can verify that 400 can go into itself 1 and to 800 2 and to 1600 4 times. Basically means that we can factor 400 exponent x from here, right? So by so doing, for the numerator we can see 400 exponent x out, then into bracket we have 1, right? Because when 400 exponent x multiplies 1, we are going to get 400 exponent x, right? Then we have plus 2 exponent x, right? Because from indices, when two terms has the same exponent, we just multiply the numbers and bring one of the exponents. So we have 400 exponent x times 2 exponent x will be 400 times 2, which is 800. Then we bring the exponent of x, this one. So we have 400 out. So we have 400 exponent x out, then 2 exponent x inside, right? So it will be 400 times 2, or exponent x, which is 800 exponent x. Then we have plus 4 exponent x, bracket close, because 400 times 4 will be 1600. Then we bring the exponent of x, which is 1600 exponent x, right, all over. Looking at the denominator of this expression also, which is 200 exponent x plus 400 exponent x plus 800 exponent x, right? We can also factor 200 exponent x out, right? So we have 200 exponent x into bracket. The reason is 200 can go through 400 and can also go through 800, right? So 200 will go through itself 1, plus 200 will go through 400 2 times. So we have 2 exponent x. Then 200 can also go through 800 4 times. So we have 4 exponent x, all is equal to 4, right? Then automatically this and this will cancel out. So we have 400 exponent x all over 200 exponent x, all is equal to 4. Then from indices we can write this 400 exponent x all over 200 exponent x as, we have 400 over 200, or exponent x is equal to 4, right? 400 over 200 is 2, so we have 2. Then we bring the exponent, 2x is equal to 4. Now we have 2 exponent x is equal to 4, right? But 4 can be expressed as 2 exponent 2. So we have 2 exponent x is equal to 2 exponent 2, right? Now the base are equal. We just equate the exponent. So we have x is equal to 2. The value of x in this question is equal to 2. You can verify to see whether your answer is correct by putting the value of x, which is 2, into the expression. 400 exponent x plus 800 exponent x plus 1600 exponent x all over 200 exponent x plus 400 exponent x plus 800 exponent x to see whether we are going to get 4. Automatically you will get this 4. So now the value of x is equal to 2. Please like this video. Don't forget to share this video. Also subscribe to this channel for more killer videos like this.